Today's science update could change how millions of people get clean drinking water. What if the world's oceans could provide safe drinking water without harming marine life? Scientists have announced a breakthrough technology that may help solve one of humanity's biggest challenges, water scarcity. And the solution combines sunlight, lasers, and smart engineering. Let's find out how it works. Around 97% of Earth's water is found in oceans and seas. The problem is simple: seawater contains large amounts of salt. Humans cannot drink it directly. For many years, desalination plants have been used to remove salt from seawater and produce fresh water. These plants help millions of people around the world. But there is a serious problem. Traditional desalination creates a highly concentrated salty liquid called brine. This waste is usually released back into the ocean. The extra salt and chemicals can damage marine ecosystems, reduce oxygen levels, and affect corals, fish, and other sea creatures. Scientists wanted a cleaner solution. Now, a research team has developed a new laser-based desalination system that produces drinking water without generating toxic liquid brine. That is what makes this discovery so exciting. The system starts with a special metal sheet. Scientists use powerful lasers to create tiny microscopic grooves on its surface. These grooves help spread seawater into a very thin layer. Next comes the most important part. The metal surface is dark and absorbs sunlight very efficiently. When sunlight hits the surface, the thin layer of seawater heats up quickly. The water changes into vapor. The vapor is then collected and turned into clean drinking water. Meanwhile, the salt stays behind. At first, this may sound similar to older desalination methods. But there is a major difference. Salt normally builds up inside desalination systems. Over time, this blocks the equipment and reduces efficiency. The new technology solves this problem using a natural phenomenon called the coffee ring effect. You may have noticed this at home. When a drop of coffee dries on a table, the particles move toward the outer edge. Scientists used the same idea. As seawater evaporates, salt crystals naturally move toward the edges of the metal sheet. This keeps the center clean and active. The system can continue working for long periods without major clogging. That means lower maintenance costs and higher efficiency. There is another advantage. The remaining solid salt is not simply waste. It can contain valuable minerals. One of them is lithium. Lithium is an important material used in electric vehicle batteries, smartphones, and energy storage systems. Instead of creating pollution, this technology could help recover useful resources. That creates both environmental and economic benefits. The technology also runs mainly on solar energy. No large power stations are required. This could make it useful for remote islands, coastal communities, and dry regions where freshwater is limited. Imagine small villages producing clean drinking water using only seawater and sunlight. That could improve the lives of millions of people. Scientists believe this innovation has the potential to reduce ocean pollution while increasing access to safe drinking water. It is still being developed and tested, but the early results are very promising. This discovery shows how creative science and engineering can help solve global problems. Clean water is one of the most important resources on Earth. And technologies like this could play an important role in the future. What do you think about this new laser-powered desalination system? Could it help solve the global water crisis? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more science discoveries, future technologies, and breakthrough innovations, visit our latest Science and Technology Discovery channel. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Please like and share this video with others who enjoy science and technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next discovery.